If you're looking for a reliable Hostinger coupon code along with a clear Hostinger review, this video will guide you one of the best web hosting deals available right now. To activate this offer, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen, and you'll receive an extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months automatically applied during checkout. Here's something important to understand. Most links you find online usually offer only around a 10% extra discount, but this one gives a full 20% extra discount along with 3 extra months, which makes it one of the highest value Hostinger deals available right now. If the pricing doesn't match your country or currency, just click the flag icon at the top right corner of the page and select your location, and the pricing will update instantly. In this Hostinger review, you get fast loading speeds, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, and lightspeed servers that help improve website performance. The Hostinger website builder is designed to help you create a professional website quickly, even if you have no technical experience. Because of its speed, reliability, and beginner-friendly approach, Hostinger is often considered one of the best web hosting platforms. And every plan is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. When you combine the extra 20% discount with the 3 additional months, it significantly reduces the overall cost, making it a very cost-effective option. Just click the link below or scan the QR code to activate this deal instantly. And as your website grows, Hostinger also provides advanced tools like Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger openclaw, and Hostinger N8N. To get the maximum savings, click the link in the description or scan the QR code now to secure your extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months on your Hostinger plan.